copy me, okay? Or follow me. Where are we going? Okay, we're not going anywhere. You need to follow me, okay? Ready? My name is ugly. You ugly? No. No, see? No, you're not happy. Your name is Yolo. Tell us, my name is Yolo. Okay, how old are you? 4 years old or 5 years old? Yesterday my birthday. Okay. How? Before you are 4 now? 5 years old. Very good. What do you want to be when you grow up? 6 years old. No. Not like that. When you're getting older, 20 years old. Now when you're getting older, what you want to be? You want to be what? 70 years old. No, you want to be a doctor. A doctor? Yeah. Or else you want to be a teacher. I like a teacher. Wow. Why do you like a teacher? I teach a doctor.